What's up, y'all? It's your girl Pink Jeep Kiki back again, and I am going to this thing today. It's a Jeep event, and it's called Lipstick and Dipstick. Now an annual event that they're doing in Illinois where all the girls with Jeeps come to this class, and you basically learn how to change your tire, how to change maybe the oil, the fluids, knowing what each light means, tire, like dead battery, all that type of stuff. I'm gonna go there today because I am tired of getting ripped off, and I should know the basic things. I've got to be there at 12 o'clock, so we're doing that, and then later today I'll probably go to the gun range and then do virtual reality. I'm just gonna take y'all through my day and show y'all the Jeep girlies. See y'all there.
See on this, it'll have an O-ring here. In the oil filter kit itself, it always comes with a new oil O-ring. You always want to replace that, otherwise pressurizes, oil goes everywhere, blah, blah, blah. So you'll pop it off. You'll see there's nothing in there except for oil.
Slip, it will fall on the jack, on the jack stand.
Y'all see it? So cute. Guns.
Just got cocked. Safety.
Okay. You want me to use this one, or we trade? I'm gonna change it out.
Change it.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm scared of shooting guns apparently, and I cut my hand from shooting, so gotta learn how to place my gun. Yeah, did I tell y'all I can't shoot? That's the first time I ever shot those guns. Like, I bought both of them like 3 or so years ago, 4 years ago, and I've never shot them before in my life. That's crazy, right? We in Chicago. Let's go to virtual reality. I'm not playing no scary games. We gonna play squid games. So we'll see how that goes. But I ain't running from no zombies.
Testers, welcome to the virtuals competition.
We all hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt.
The games will now begin. Red light, green light.
Red light. Green light.
Make a shape.
You just gotta avoid it.
Cross a bridge.
Okay.
I'm going on this one again. Let's see. Oh!
know she set you up.
Catch and match.
Simon says, avoid the hole.
Congratulations, you are the winner.